Morning! Come on, let's go outside. Come. Okay. Let's go check. Go check our ating plants and flowers. Oh, ang sili. Look at the sili. Daghan na og bunga. Let me see. Harvest time. Atong sili. Daghan na kaayo. Harvest time. Ayan. Let's look at our gardenia. Our jasmine keep blooming and blooming. Ating kalabasa. Let's go check the kalabasa. Yan, it's what the pomelo, watermelon, and what is the orange one color? The orange cantaloupe. This is cantaloupe, a smaller one. Look at the flower is small. That's cantaloupe. Ayan. Manang, it's inside. Look at Manang. Manang, where are you? Look at that. Wow. The Prince frog. Not French fries. Hey, Manang, you wanna come out? Again? There you go. Come. Yeah, good girl. Come here. We have our smoker. A new one. We throw the grill, the big grill. And look at that statue there. Ryan loves some statue. Ayan. And my avocado. And more avocado right there. That one. tomato. Ayan. My car has been there for more than a week now. So I have to drive tomorrow or Wednesday. And another fountain. Fountain. Ayan guys.
Thank you for watching.